Morning cyclist. Today is Friday, September 16th, 2022. Started the bike ride at 11 minutes after 9. Next week, fall arrives next Thursday. Today I'm riding the Cervelo Caledonia bike. Weather 78 degrees, humidity is 81%, winds out of the northeast at 6 miles an hour. It's partly cloudy. Could get to 90 degrees today. For the first time this week, I'm going to go north. I've really mixed up the routes this week. I'm going to go through Porter, well, along US 59 through Porter, New Caney, loop through Tavola, and then back to Kingwood through Valley Ranch and Oakhurst. I'm at 149 miles so far this week. Probably today will be 34 miles, so that should position me pretty good for a 200-mile week. Riding west through Wood Ridge Forest. Nice blue sky. Some clouds, a few clouds back to the southeast. Riding east on Community Drive. First time in a while. .1 miles. Time is 17 minutes after 10. At Loop 494, I'm going to turn left. Just turned off of Loop 494 northbound onto Payne Road on my way to US 59 northbound frontage road. Looking at the bridge, it's been closed for almost since Harvey, or after Hurricane Harvey 5 years ago. Maybe they're going to start working. A hopeful sign is 2 porta potties are there. I don't know that they would put porta potties if there wasn't going to be any workers. Entering Tavola on Via Principal Parkway. I'll stay on Via Principal Parkway until I get to Aragosta Parkway. Into some wind. 15.3 miles, time is 10:30. Average speed is 13.7 miles an hour. Riding time 1 hour, 7 minutes, 16 seconds. More clouds in the sky up ahead. Chance of some rain this afternoon. Tavola Lake. Riding southwest on Aragasta Parkway. I've never been down this section. It doesn't go very far. I was kind of curious as to where it did go. Try this away. I've never been on these streets either. Villa Mesa and Coogan Shadow. Riding north on Aragasta Parkway, approaching Roman Forest Boulevard. I'll turn left onto Roman Forest Boulevard, begin the ride back to Kingwood. 17.5 miles. Time is 10:40. Average speed is 13.7 miles an hour. And riding time is 1 hour 17 minutes 13 seconds. Riding southwest on the US 59 frontage road. I'm on the bridge over Caney Creek, headed to FM 1485. 19.8 miles. Time is 10:50. Average speed is 13.8 miles an hour. The sun is going in and out behind the clouds. Wind is generally from my left rear quarter. That's 20 miles. Riding west on Auburn Fields Drive and Auburn Trails, part of Oakhurst. .9 miles, 20 minutes after 11. Average speed is 14.0 miles an hour. Good. Wind seems kind of variable. It's not super strong, but just enough to be a nuisance. I'm on my way to Peppervine. I'll ride through Peppervine back to the US 59 southbound frontage road. Ran into a cloud of gnats. I think they're worse than love bugs. Riding through Peppervine, building homes like crazy. Riding beside Kingwood Drive, headed east. Hi. into some wind. More clouds. .6 miles. Time's 11:51. Average speed's 14.0 miles an hour. I did have it set up for 14.1 miles an hour, but since I'm in Kingwood, I've lost a little speed. Riding on Tree Lane in Kingwood, Bear Branch Village, the streets are damp, so some rain has preceded me. Preceded my arrival. Good timing in that respect.